Organizations are facing new data breach challenges, including insider threats and APT, which are difficult to discover and control with conventional security approaches. The Fasoo Data Security Framework can help organizations fight these threats to safeguard their digital assets. The Fasoo Data Security Framework is a multi-layered security approach for combating data breach threats and consists of 3 solutions. By adding data-centric security to traditional perimeter security, the framework enables unparalleled protection against data breach threats. Fasoo eData Manager discovers and classifies all unstructured data. It shows statistics of all unstructured data discovered on all endpoint devices and repositories. Daily variation of the statistics, data classification, and retention status are also available. eData Manager policy can be set up by defining a discovery scope. Administrators can define content detection patterns using regular expressions and/or keywords. A threshold value can also be set for each pattern. A protection rule can be defined by specifying protection by metadata values and/or file extensions. A policy is enforced by selecting a scope, a protection rule, and a content definition for selective users or groups. Sensitive documents on all endpoint devices and repositories are classified and protected based on the centrally enforced policy. The Fasoo eData Manager client interface also displays the results of real-time and scheduled discovery scans. Administrators can monitor and analyze the discovery results in detail. Fasoo Enterprise DRM protects, controls, and traces data. Documents are automatically encrypted and protected when created on PCs or when downloaded from repositories. Automatic file encryption supports numerous file formats and applications. Users without edit permission cannot use edit or save functions. Screen capture is restricted from users without screen capture permission. Even users with edit permission cannot copy content from a protected document and paste to an unprotected one. Copy and paste is allowed when the user has edit permission to both protected documents. Security is inherited by all derivatives, regardless of file names or formats. Pull printing features help prevent data leaks from prints that are lost or left unattended. Policy-based visible watermarks or QR codes can be added to prints, whether printed to physical or virtual printers. A screen watermark can be shown on the desktop or the screens of selective applications. For secure external collaboration, users can convert documents by specifying recipients and permissions with time restrictions and more. The conversion can be done using either a desktop application or Outlook add-in. A trusted viewing option allows external recipients to view converted documents through browsers. Users can trace user and file activities of documents they shared and revoke or restore access when necessary. All protected documents can be accessed on mobile devices using a mobile app. All user and file activities are collected in real time, and administrators can monitor and trace them using the console. Fasoo RiskView monitors and analyzes comprehensive data risks. Administrators are allowed to review and verify risks. Anomaly events and file and user risks are updated and reported on the dashboard. Administrators can review anomaly events, file risks, and user risks. Based on the review, they can request the user to justify the action or handle the case as an exception. Fasoo Risk View also allows line of business managers to review issues related to their staffs. Pending issues are updated and reported on the dashboard. Line of business managers can review the details of user activity and audit all activities of the user. Based on the review, they can handle the case as an exception or escalate the case to the administrator for further review. With the Fasoo Data Security Framework, organizations can discover and classify data, protect, control, and trace any sensitive data, and analyze data breach risks. Data-centric security, people-centric policy, and a multi-layered approach add efficiency, flexibility, and productivity to the framework.